Part 5, The Necklace. Yes, I have had some hard days since I saw you, and some miserable ones, and all because of you. And then Ma'am Loisel, she opened up her heart. She said that she had very hard days, very bad days because of her. Because of me? How is that? You recall the diamond necklace that you loaned me to wear to the minister's ball? Yes, very well. Well, I lost it. How is that, since you returned it to me? So Madame Forrester was very surprised. She said, how can it be? Because she returned it the same. I returned another to you exactly like it. And it has taken us 10 years to pay for it. You can understand that it was not an easy for us who have nothing. But it is finished, and I am decently content. So Madame Loisel, she opened up her heart completely, and she said that how she repaid it, and it was not on their part to repay such a precious necklace. And then she's finally admitted that it was finally over, and now she was very satisfied. Ma'am Forrester stopped short. She said, "You say that you bought a diamond necklace to replace mine." "Yes, you did not perceive it then. They were just alike." So she said that you did not see. They were just the same. And she smiled with proud and simple joy. Ma'am Forestier was touched. And then Madame Forester was very touched, very sad, and took both her hands and she replied, "Oh, my poor Mathilda, mine were false." And she admitted at last that her diamond necklace, her diamonds were fake. They were not worth 500 francs. And she then said that they were not of 500 francs, for which she has completely wasted her life. And the 10 precious years of her life had gone. And she had paid 36,000 francs for that. So, my dear students, this lesson gives us not only one lesson, many lessons. And I must say, the first lesson is that we should be contented with what God has given us. We should always be satisfied, whatever God. We should always be confident that yes, we are good, we look good in what we have. We should not borrow things from others. We should never look at others and borrow their things and see to it that we want this and that from others. So, first of all, we should be contented, satisfied with what life has given us. Secondly, we should not borrow things from others. And if we take things from others, and by chance, if we have lost it or something has gone bad with them, then we should admit it. We should very openly, honestly tell others. We should not hide, because hiding makes the thing worse. If we have done something wrong, if we have made a mistake, we should always open it up. We should always apologize. Same what happened in the case of Madame Loisel. If she would have gone to Madame Forestier and admitted that she had made a mistake and that her necklace had been lost, and she would not have wasted her precious life, her money, and this is all what the story is. I hope you will remember this story all your life, and you will never forget Madame Loisel's character, how heroically she bore her part, how what changes had come in the life of both the Loisels, Madame and Mr. Loisel and Ma'am Loisel, and we will take a good lesson from them. I hope you enjoyed the story. Thank you. Stay safe.